morning, good afternoon, good evening. It all depends at what time you're watching this video and the place you come from. If you're new here, my name is Mercy Edo. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, comment, and I'm about to do part two of wearing this top. So if you're yet to watch the previous part one of the previous video, I link it in the description bar below. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Style number 6. I'm going to wear the same way, the other way around, and I'm going to make the sleeves off shoulder though. Yeah, actually it's not complicated. Then my tail. Yeah. Okay, style number 7. My collar line is at the bottom, then the bottom of my neck, I'm going to tie the two. Yeah, then I'm going to tuck all this underneath my bra. I'm doing that same with the back. Okay, that's my style number 7. Style number 8. I've worn my shirt. My collar line is at the bottom, then the bottom is at around my collarbones. Then another one, I've worn it the other way around, like the back is at the front and the front is at the back. And I'm going to take my sleeves, then I make them pass over my shoulders, and I'm going to tie. Then I repeat the procedure around my collar. Then I hide it. Then I do the same. Then I'm going to tuck this in my bra. And that is my number 8 style. The 9th way to wear your top, I'm going to tie this part as you have seen me do. That part, then I'm going to wear it off shoulder. Then I'm taking this and making it pass through this. The 10th way I'm going to wear my top, I've worn it the other way around. The back part is at the front and the front part is at the back. Let me show you. Yeah, so I'm going to tie this the same way I've tied. And the same way I've tacked the previous one, I'm going to tack it the same. So I'm wearing it off shoulder and taking this and tacking them. That is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell